Okay, I'm getting to work.
I want to come too. Снежна буря имахме вчера. Цяла нощ валя и натрупа планини от сняг. Ето вижте, едвам се вижда оградата там отзад. Окей. Много навя. Там отиват да чисти снега сега. Защото целият път към гаража е затрупан. Виж, оградата се вижда само върха на оградата. А от другата страна на оградата, на комшиите, вратата не им се вижда към кухнята. Вратата е тази. По новините непрекъснато казват за коли затрупани.
So this was a windier storm. That was my sense too driving home last night, Frank. I started here at WGN in 78-79. That was our record snow year, 89.7 inches for the season. And
It's about 3-4 feet tall by the door.
It's all bleached on your camera.
Okay, there's a setting on it, but I wouldn't expect you to figure it out. I'll do it.
Can I go in front of you?
No.
My gosh, baby, you can't shovel this.
I know.
Baby, you cannot shovel this.
It's going to be one layer at a time. Look at that, it all piled up by the garage. Those people have it pretty good on the
Това
outside.
са, how much in meters is that? That's approximately
A meter and a
60. A meter and a half?
A meter, about 1 meter or a little more.
No, I'm total of meter and a half. So this is about 60. Oh my gosh, baby. I don't think you can shovel this today.
Okay, here I
With pajamas. Затрупани сме целите. Колите не могат да излезнат. И Том ще почва да копае снега. Комшиите почнаха да чистят, но те имат моторна машина, а пък ние нямаме. Там ще копае с лопатата. Ето. От земята догоре сме затрупани. 50-60 см сняг навял. Не знам как ще излезе утре за работа. Днеска дали ще може да изчисти това или какво ще става, не знам. Там копае тунел от гаража до пътя. Комшията има моторна такава машина за чистене, обаче нашия е с лопатата. Нямаме такава машина, не сме си купили. И продължава да духа и да навява. Не знам как ще изчисти тая планина пред гаража и как утре той ще излезе за работа.
Come on, keep going. Get up to your shoulders. I'm not going to help you get out unless you go up to your shoulders. Come on, keep going.
No, I can't.
Go that way. You have snow pants on.
It's very cheap.
I'll pull you out
I need these shoes for the mountains that are like...
to walk on top of it. Well, you don't have those, so we won't. Keep going, come on.
I can't go any further.
Okay, that's pretty good. Turn around.
I can't go any further.
I have to cool off a little bit. I'm too hot.
I'm afraid you're gonna get sick.
No, I don't. It's my specialty.
That's the year of our sunbird. The biggest snowstorm of the century. It's not on the century though.
The whole world is changing.
Maybe I should get a shovel and start helping you.
No, your help won't make a difference. You have the surgery. What are you talking about?
My pants are a little tight, but I managed to button.
What's your weight?
I haven't weighed myself.
It's actually pretty fun.
Yeah, instead going to the gym.
It's better than going to the gym.
Yeah. Това е пътечката до гаража. Затрупана е догоре. You sure not cold? Look at the neighbors.
What?
All dressed. The neighbors are all dressed.
Because they're not getting a workout.
Look at this iceberg.
Yeah, it's starting to get, now I'm getting to the deep part.
Yeah. Big chunks of snow.
Woo! I need a break. Is that vodka?
Бебито спи вътре и ние сме навънка.
20%.
Казва
5
20%.
times much to go.
20% в момента е изчистил. Yeah. That's so much
It can be
fun.
done. I can do it. It's going to take a long time. I probably won't even finish it today. At least I'll try to get.
But tomorrow is gonna freeze, remember?
It's getting cold, but this stuff won't freeze. There's no water. There's nothing to freeze. But it'll be cold.
It's gonna be very cold.
It's not good packing snow.
No,
It's not good for a snowman.
it's very fluffy.
See?
No, don't throw over me.